Hey taxpayers, it's Tiffany Gonzalez CPA here, founder and CEO of Accounting to Scale. And today we're talking about what it means to be a 1099 contractor and everything you should be doing. With the COVID-19 pandemic, so many people are picking up side gigs or starting businesses, and it's so important that you understand what those implications involve. Get out your pen and paper and take some notes because there are so many differences between a 1099 contractor and a W-2 employee. Let's start right at the beginning. By law, taxes are to be paid as income is received. This is called the pay-as-you-go requirement. As a W-2 employee, it is so easy to meet this requirement because your employer is withholding the tax from you and sending it to the IRS. And if you filled out your new hire paperwork correctly, then they're withholding exactly what they need to. But as a contractor or business, you are receiving 100% of the pay. You are required to estimate how much tax you will owe, and you are required to remit those estimated tax payments to the IRS on a quarterly basis. Sending the right amount not only helps you avoid a super large tax bill at the end of the year, but also helps you meet the pay-as-you-go requirement. If you don't send estimated tax payments to the IRS, they will charge you penalties and interest. Currently, those penalties and interest are approximately 5% each of the tax due. Typically, I tell clients that they should budget about 20% of their gross revenue for taxes. This is just a general rule of thumb. The truth is if we manage your books on a monthly basis, we can consult you and let you know exactly what you need to send in so you don't send in $1 more or $1 less. I know that 20% of gross can seem like a lot, but the truth is that as a 1099 contractor, you're actually paying two types of taxes. The first one is self-employment tax, and the second one is income tax. You don't have to worry too much about sending the IRS too much because the truth is you'll get it back as a refund. At the same time, you don't want to send them too much either because that money could be better invested elsewhere. Making estimated IRS tax payments has become easier than ever now that they have a link right on their website. We will put that link in the description below. As the year progresses, you can adjust the amount you send the IRS on a quarterly basis. For example, let's say you have an amazing quarter. You might send a bit more in that quarter. Let's say you have a really slow quarter. You might send a bit less in that quarter. An advantage of being a 1099 contractor is that you now get to deduct expenses against the income you earn. Things like telephone and postage and supplies and professional fees. There's a long list of expenses that could be directly related to the services or work that you're providing, and we are happy to share that list with you. If you'd like a copy of the list, please send us an email at info@accountingtoscale, and we would be happy to share it with you. Make sure to keep really good records and receipts, especially for your large purchases, things like laptops or furniture or camera equipment. As your revenue continues to grow, you should think about incorporating your business. You might be able to save on some self-employment taxes if you do. We did an awesome video on incorporations. Click right up here or in the description below to watch that video. If you love this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Follow us on LinkedIn, Instagram, or Facebook at Accounting to Scale. Until the next video, your favorite CPA, Tiffany Gonzalez.